In this video I'm going to show you how to make a group on Snapchat. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first open up Snapchat application and next hit Add Chats icon. Now there all you have to do is to hit add that new message icon at the bottom right, and now you can select persons from your friends list. From here you can just check mark that person, just hit on that circle beside the person's name, and there you can add here as much people as you want, up to 100. And after that you have to name your group, because you can't create a group without a name. Just hit there at new group name and write here something. I'll write test group, and then just hit add chat with group. And here it says that Jess hasn't added you as a friend yet, so it can't create a group. I can go back and uncheck mark Jess and then hit add chat with group again, so you can create group chat just with your friends. And that's all about how to make a group chat on Snapchat. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.